you were in the Hamburg area today, you may have noticed something ominous in the sky.
And I think every person in Hamburg that noticed it sent us a picture. So first of all, thank you for sending your videos and your pictures of this thing. Let's take a look at what it looked like. We got a number of pictures and videos, and it all started kind of like this. These water spouts that were forming over, of course, Lake Erie. And Todd's going to define exactly what is a land spout, what's a water spout versus a tornado, and so on and so forth. But boy, you were really helping us tell the story today, because we had videos like this from a number of different angles. Hopefully we get to see some of those other angles, because they look like they were kind of over land for quite a period of time.
Yeah, that was a piece of video there, but we also got a number of pictures where you could clearly see the funnel there.
Yep, and the ones over land weren't touching the ground, at least as far as I could tell, and that was a key thing. Bottom line, all of these were tornadoes, so that's an easy way to define it. But not all tornadoes are equal. They don't all form the same way. When they form in the type of what we were dealing with today, water spouts, you're forming basically you have cold air over warm water, and we had a cold front rolling through. So it was just enough to get things spinning. And what you see in those shots where it's touching the water, it is kicking up spray off the surface of the water. So they're actually more dangerous to boats than they are to those of you on land. Now, there are times where they can come on land and briefly cause some issues, from wind gusts to 40, 50 miles per hour. But that's not what we've seen so far today. I haven't seen any damage reports. I've seen a lot of water spout reports and a number of photos, courtesy of many of you. There's a line of thunderstorms that's kind of working. It's a loosely formed line, slowly kind of cutting off to the south of Buffalo. You'll notice we're pretty clear to the north with sunshine. Well, that's the front itself. Now, we've gotten a few shots like this where you can clearly see a funnel hanging out of the clouds. At this point, as this has come onshore near Hamburg, it's lost the connection down to the ground. So we do call them land spouts when they come inland like that. It's basically a way of saying, yes, it's a water spout that came on shore. Yes, it's a weak type of tornado, but it's not quite the type of thing that would trigger necessarily a tornado warning, that kind of thing. So I will say they also formed while the storms were a little bit shorter, kind of lower cloud tops. These are a little bit more garden variety thunderstorms that we're dealing with, but as they roll on shore, they are rolling in off the lake, so it's not out of the question that one of those still could produce an isolated water spout. But we're keeping an eye on it. Biggest thing for most of us is just the lightning side of things, classic thunderstorm threats. I will show you the reports themselves. There were a whole bunch of these, and these coincide very well to many of you that were sending in photos. Some of them were actually placed based on where the photos were taken. And we were sharing some of your photos with the Weather Service, and I wasn't the only one doing that. So I'm happy to at least kind of have that collaboration with them. We're all trying to get ground truth to the radar, and that's where the photos really help a lot.